How to reprogram your HME headset repaired by RF Technologies Inc., the Ion, EOS, or Chrome. The information in this video can also be found on the programming card returned to you with your repaired headset. Step 1. Make sure that the headset has a fully charged battery installed and the power is off. Step 2. Press any button on the base station to light up the screen. Step 3. Select the menu option using the black arrow located on the bottom left side of the screen. Step 4. Select Register Headsets using the arrow located on the top right side of the screen. Step 5. Select Register Headsets with the arrow on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 6. Select Register Single on the bottom left if you are registering one headset, or select Register Multiple on the bottom right side if you have more than one headset to register. Step 7. On your headset, hold down the B button and the red power button at the same time. Step 8. Once you see a flashing red light on the headset, you are in registration mode and you can release the buttons. When the flashing red light turns green, that means the headset is registered. This can take up to 1 minute. The base station will revert to the home screen automatically. If you have a question or comment, call us at 1-800-598-2370 or visit us online at rfdrivethru.com.